You can completely customize what behaviors your pop-up performs, as well as when it is deactivated. Pop-up forms are a great way to quickly and easily collect contact information from your visitors to your website. By offering a clear value proposition and a compelling call to action, you can encourage visitors to share their contact details in exchange for value. This can help you build your email list, generate leads, and ultimately grow your business.
Now that you are logged in, you will see various features and tools on your left sidebar. First, we are going to open the Sites tab to view all of our landing pages, websites, forms, surveys, and other tools. Then we can open the form builder from the drop-down on the top menu. The Analyze tab allows you to assess all responses, and the Submissions tab allows you to browse all submissions, search, set a date range, and even export your submissions. Now we can view, create, organize, and edit forms in this account. I can start a new form by clicking Add Form on the top right of the screen. We are now creating a brand new form where we can pull in standard fields like name, email, phone, address, and more. You can also customize your submit button by pulling in the button field and clicking on it to edit the button's formatting. You can see here that you can adjust what the button says, colors, borders, rounded edges, alignment, shadows, etc. By clicking on any field, you can customize it for your specific form or survey, meaning you can even adjust the wording of the field without having to edit it entirely for your account. Also, you can mark your fields as required in order for the contact to submit it, or hide the field if you want to determine a set value without the contact needing to see it or even fill it in. Under the Fields tab, you can select the Custom Fields sub-tab to pull in existing custom fields or create a new one for your form or survey. Under the Styles tab, you can adjust the overall look of your form or survey, including background colors, borders, rounded edges, custom CSS, agency branding, and more. Most importantly, the Options tab is where you can actually name your form or survey, adjust the action when your form or survey is submitted, turn on sticky contact, and more. The sticky contact toggle allows the system to use a contact's browser cookies to autofill their information if they already have a contact record in your account. Just be careful of overwrites, as two people filling out the same form on the same computer, or a team member filling out a form on behalf of a contact can overwrite the given contact records that exist and merge them together. So just be careful of that. Lastly, you can integrate your form by easily pulling it into a funnel or website element within the system, using the embed code provided by the Integrate Form button, using the direct link on that same page, or pulling your form into a calendar settings as a custom form for that given calendar.
That's it. Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.